everyone, I'm Bhavna Sani and I'm back with the new video for class 10th and आज हमारा day 14 है 30 days sample paper challenge का and congratulations we have successfully done 13 sample papers और अगर अभी तक आपने 13 sample papers नहीं किए हैं तो उसका link नीचे description box में दिया हुआ है. So yes, let's get started to sample paper number 14. टाइम अलॉटेड वही है, जनरल इंस्ट्रक्शंस वही है, कोड वही है. तो अब हम सीधा सेक्शन ए से शुरू कर रहे हैं एंड यू ऑल नो दैट सेक्शन ए जो है वो रीडिंग स्किल्स है जो कि 20 मार्क्स का है. 2 क्वेश्चन है 10 मार्क्स ईच एंड दोनों ही कॉम्प्रीहेंशन है. तो सबसे पहले हम फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन रीड करेंगे एंड उसी के अकॉर्डिंग हम पैसेज रीड करेंगे एंड लेट्स सी हमें कितनी देर में होता है. एंड जब भी आप घर पे कॉम्प्रीहेंशन प्रैक्टिस करें मेक श्योर दैट यू हैव स्टॉप वॉच विद यू, प्रॉपर टाइमिंग के साथ करें एंड 20 मिनट्स में दोनों पैसेज कंप्लीट करने की कोशिश करें. एंड जिसने 13 सैम्पल पेपर्स अभी तक नहीं किए हैं उन सबका लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिया हुआ है. सो येस, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड टू दिस वन. सबसे पहले इसका क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. क्वेश्चन ये है, सिलेक्ट द ऑप्शन दैट कन्वेज द मैसेज. हमें एक ऑप्शन चूज करना है जो ये मैसेज कन्वे कर रहा है दैट मोरली साउंड सिटीजन्स आर द नीड ऑफ द आवर. जो मॉरली साउंड सिटीजन है दे आर मच नीडेड एट दिस टाइम. ठीक है, ऑप्शंस क्या है? मॉरल सिटीजन्स कैन ओनली बी पॉसिबल बाय गिविंग मॉरल एजुकेशन टू द मास पॉपुलेशन. बी, बेटर ह्यूमन बीइंग कैन मेक द वर्ल्ड अ बेटर प्लेस टू लिव इन. C, developing moral qualities is the only way to solve the social issues. And D, government should take major decisions about spreading moral education. ठीक है, तो अब हम रीड करते हैं. एंड यस, corruption, terrorism, communalism, greed for power and wealth and the list of ailments that affect modern society continues. More than half the population of India is below the age group of 25 and the future of the country will only be bright if youngsters are equipped to deal with these ailments. A child is a storehouse of potential and it is essential to nurture and develop these attributes from a very young age. Since they spend much of their time in school, the curriculum in school should be such that it enables children to understand, care and practice ethical values like respect, justice and civic sense. Education should aim to develop a sense of right and duties as well as moral values like honesty, responsibility, respect for other. तो जब हम moral values, moral education देंगे स्टूडेंट को तभी moral value आएगी हमारे अंदर या बच्चों के अंदर. Moral education should be directed towards, मतलब यहाँ से तो हमें इसका आंसर मिल रहा है बट फिर भी हम एक बार पूरा रीड करेंगे. ठीक है, moral education should be directed towards enhancing a child's ability to critically analyze situations, make decisions, empathize with people and work in cooperation towards a common goal. As a means of direct instruction to students, schools are very influential in the character development of a child and the methods of education affect the development of morally upright citizens who can bring about the much needed change in the country. तो यही बताया moral education देने से moral citizens ही upbring होते हैं हमारी country में जिससे much needed change आएगा हमारी society में. ठीक है, so the youth of today have to face many problems like drug abuse, violent behavior and family issues. If they are not taught morals, they would fail to differentiate between good and bad values. Hence, they would be incapable of dealing with different types of issues. A sound moral base would help a child make the right decision, especially in an era where the youth is increasingly coming under the negative influence of the media. Schools in India have introduced moral education as part of their curriculum because they realize that morally sound citizens are the need of the hour. तो यहाँ पे हमें ये लाइन भी मिल गई कि जो स्कूल्स हैं इंडिया में उन्होंने इंट्रोड्यूस भी करी है मॉरल एजुकेशन एज अ पार्ट ऑफ देयर करिकुलम. ये एंड में एज अ पार्ट ऑफ देयर करिकुलम बिकॉज दे रियलाइज दैट, क्या रियलाइज करते हैं? बिकॉज दे रियलाइज दैट मॉरली साउंड सिटीजन्स आर द नीड ऑफ द आवर. Since most children look up to their teachers as a role model, it is appropriate that they be facilitators of moral value. Clear? अब यहाँ पे तो हमें आंसर मिल गया. अब एक ही पैराग्राफ पढ़ा, उस पर बाद में टाइम वेस्ट करने से अच्छा अभी रीड कर लेते हैं. The school should focus more on the personality development of children since it is one of the most important responsibility of a school. School should take the initiative to mold children into better human beings so that they can make the world a better place to live in. Clear? So yes, select the option that conveys a message morally sound citizens are the need of the hour. So इसका correct answer क्या है? इसका correct answer है A part, that moral citizens can only be possible by giving moral education to the mass population. Clear? Then moving on to the next question. Our next question is, why is it important to inculcate moral values since childhood? तो childhood से ही moral value क्यों डालनी चाहिए? You all know that children are the future of the country and उनको बहुत सारी problems face करनी पड़ती है life में. They are under the constant influence of negative influence of social media. If children are not taught morals, they would fail to differentiate between good and bad and would be incapable of dealing with different issues. So it is important to inculcate moral values since childhood. ठीक है, अब यहाँ पे ये mention है कि moral values क्यों डालने चाहिए बच्चों में. Here it is mentioned, the youth of today have to face many problems like drug abuse, violent behavior and family issues. If they are not taught moral, they would fail to differentiate between good and bad values and they would be incapable of dealing with different types of issues. A sound moral base would help a child make the right decision, especially in an era where the youth is increasingly coming under the negative influence of the social media. Clear? तो इसका आंसर भी हमें यहाँ पे मिल गया. अब आता है नेक्स्ट वन, influence of this. यहाँ तक हो गया. Yes. Complete the sentence appropriately. According to the given passage, schools are integral in the dash of a childhood. अब schools important क्यों है? In the development of the childhood, in the character development of the childhood. ये अभी हमने पढ़ा भी था. The passage includes some words that are similar in meaning and from the set A to E we have to find two sets of synonym. मतलब same word. Youthful, youth and youngsters, yes. Affect and equip, no. Nurture and develop, yes. Corruption and terrorism, no. Behavior and values, no. So the correct answer is youth and youngsters, nurture and develop. Complete the sentence appropriately. According to the passage, moral education helps children in dash डिसीजन मेकिंग, कोऑपरेशन एंड डैश. तो हमने अभी पढ़ा कि भाई जो बच्चे हैं वो क्रिटिकली एनालाइज कर पाएंगे सिचुएशन को और उनके अंदर एम्पैथी वाला करेक्टर भी आएगा. ठीक है, सो क्रिटिकल एनालिसिस ऑफ द सिचुएशन एंड एम्पैथी. विच मॉरल वैल्यूज आर इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर चिल्ड्रन टू लर्न? कौन सी मॉरल वैल्यू? ऑनेस्टी, responsibility, respect for others, civic sense. These are the some moral values that are essential for children to learn. Clear? What kind of problem are being faced by today's youth? आज के टाइम पे क्या प्रॉब्लम फेस करें? इन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ सोशल मीडिया, यस, अभी हमने पढ़ा और क्वेश्चन भी करा. वायलेंट बिहेवियर एंड पीयर प्रेशर, यस. ड्रग अब्यूज एंड फैमिली इश्यूज, यस. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज डी, ऑल ऑफ द अबव. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट आता है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज state a solution to the given problem. You have to state the solution to the given problem. Incapable of differentiating between good and bad, children would be unable to deal with everyday issue. तो अगर बच्चों को good और bad का पता ही नहीं चलेगा तो वो unable हो जाएंगे to deal with everyday issue. What is the solution to this? जो जिस पे पैराग्राफ लिखी हुई है कि भाई बच्चों को moral values सिखाई दी जाए, moral education दी जाए. So yes, a solution to the given problem is moral base which would help children. Clear? Now next question जो है वो भी आपका रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन है. अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन करने से पहले एक बार हम नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन का क्वेश्चन देख लेते हैं क्या है. कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग एनालॉजी appropriately. There will be a decrease in facial contamination in the environment because, ठीक है, अब ये देखते हैं. Through the Sustainable Development Goal (SDG), the countries of the world have resolved to achieve universal access to safe drinking water and adequate sanitation and hygiene for all by 2030. The aim is to ensure the consumption of safe drinking water and practice safe sanitation and hygiene, resulting in lower exposure to a contaminated environment, resulting in lower morbidity and mortality, especially amongst the children. The Swachh Bharat Mission was launched by Government of India on 2nd October 2014 to achieve the vision of Swachh Bharat by 2nd October 2019. The Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin SBMG endeavors to accelerate rural sanitation coverage, reduce open defecation and improve the management of solid and liquid waste in rural areas. The implementation of SBMG is the responsibility of the Ministry of Drinking and Sanitation MDWS. The MDWS, while issuing guidelines for open defecation verification, stressed on safe technology option which aimed at no contamination of surface soil, groundwater or surface water, excreta management inaccessible to flies or animals, no human handling of fresh excreta, and freedom from odor and unsightly condition. Over the past 4 years, 92 million new households have received access to household toilets, and by the end of SBMG program, all 16.5 million rural households will have such access. However, the issue of usage, and thus the goal is to create ODF communities and village with no defecating in the open. The status of ODF village published on website of MDWS indicates that as on 1st April 2019, over 90%, 99% of rural households in India have toilet access. The declared ODF village at all India level counted for 5,56,824, spreading over 2,47,723 gram panchayats, 6,031 blocks, and 616 districts. UNICEF in India accords high priority to provision of safe sanitation and water services to people in rural areas, and has over the past many years aided through catalytic technical support to MDWS, the Government of India, and the 15 state government in the implementation of the various sanitation programs. And since 2014, specifically to SBMG, with the progress of SBMG and the declaration of ODF communities, there is an emerging question on whether the campaign to eliminate open defecation and create ODF communities is resulting in a decrease in facial contamination in the environment. Clear? अब इसका question क्या है? Question ये है कि you have to complete the following analogy appropriately. There will be a decrease in facial contamination in the environment. क्यों? Because इनका goal क्या है कि जितने भी open defecation free है ODF, उसको basically decrease करना है, eliminate करना है ओपन डेफिकेशन को कम्युनिटीज और विलेज में, एंड दे हैव टू मेक कम्युनिटीज एंड विलेज ओपन डेफिकेशन फ्री. ODF बनाना है, अभी ओपन डेफिकेशन है, उनको एलिमिनेट करना है. क्लियर? सो द गोल इज टू क्रिएट ओपन डेफिकेशन फ्री ऑफ कम्युनिटीज एंड विलेजेस. Now fill in the blanks with appropriate word. The passage provide the data that proves that over 99% of rural household have access to toilets. ये अभी हमने करा है that over 99% of the people, over 99% of rural household in India, they have access to toilets. ठीक है, अभी हमने किया. Then moving on to the next question. Next question says that describe the purpose of the launch of Swachh Bharat Mission. अभी बताया स्वच्छ भारत मिशन क्यों लॉन्च हुआ था? To accelerate rural sanitation coverage, reduce open defecation and improve the management of solid and waste in rural areas. कहाँ पे mention है? I'll show you this. The Swachh Bharat Mission was launched by the government of India on this particular day, and इसका main क्या था? To accelerate rural sanitation coverage, reduce open defecation, improve the management of solid and liquid waste in rural area. Clear? ये था इसका main aim. Then moving on to the next one. Next one says that suggest a subtitle for the passage. Swachh Bharat Mission and sustainable development, right? Swachh Bharat Mission and sustainable development. Select the option that the given sentence refer to. Over the past 4 years, over 92 million new household has received access to household toilets. ठीक है, अब आपने इनमें से एक ऑप्शन बताना है which refers to this statement. There is an increase in the usage of toilet among rural household. Yes. There is an increase in the construction of community shared toilets. No. There is an increase in the building of the toilets inside the household. There is an increase in access to toilet but are not being used by the villagers. So over the past 4 years, over 92 million new households have received access to toilet. That means there is an increase in the usage of toilets among the rural household. Clear? Then which international organization is helping in providing sanitation and how? कौन सी international organization help कर रही है in achieving sanitation? That is UNICEF. कहाँ पे mention है? Here, UNICEF in India. Clear? यहाँ पे mention है. So UNICEF is helping in providing sanitation and water services in rural area. It has been providing technical support to MOLS, Government of India, and 15 state government in the implementation of various sanitation programs. Clear? Why is the government successful in providing access to toilet to over 99% of rural household? अब जो government है वो successful हो गई है in providing access to toilet over 9% of rural household. Question is why? Because government is having false data? No. Villagers also want to have access to toilets to minimize the negative impact of open defecation? Yes. C, villages are cooperative. No. D, rural households have become educated. D, no. These two can't be the reason. So yes, the correct answer is D part. All right. Now moving on to the next part of this पेपर, दैट इज सेक्शन बी. सेक्शन बी जो है आपका वो 20 मार्क्स का है. ग्रामर भी कंटेन करता है और राइटिंग स्किल्स भी. अगर मैं ग्रामर की बात करूँ, देयर आर 12 क्वेश्चंस एंड यू जस्ट हैव टू अटेम्प्ट ओनली 10. क्लियर, 1 मार्क ईच. सो ग्रामर पे आते हैं. So fill in the blanks by choosing the correct option to complete the sentence. अब let's see choose the correct option. A school of fish dash spotted in the lake. Spotted है मतलब past tense हो गया. A school of fish was spotted in the lake. Meenu, will you attend Pamela's birthday party? Mayank, my father will not give me permission. Meenu, but why? Mayank, he wants me to prepare for tomorrow's test. Meenu asked Mayank if he would attend Pamela's birthday party, to which Mayank replied that अब ये इसको चेंज करना है कि his father would not. ठीक है, माई किस में चेंज हो जाएगा, हिज में. विल किस में चेंज हो जाएगा, वुड में. हिज फादर वुड नॉट बेसिकली परमिट हिम या गिव हिम परमिशन टू अटेंड बर्थडे पार्टी because he wanted to prepare, because he wanted him to prepare for the exams the next day. ठीक है, समझ आया. या फिर द टेस्ट नेक्स्ट डे. हिज फादर वुड नॉट परमिट हिम टू गो बिकॉज ही वांटेड हिम टू प्रिपेयर फॉर द नेक्स्ट डेज एग्जाम या टेस्ट. सॉरी, टेस्ट लिखेंगे क्योंकि यहाँ पे टेस्ट ही मेंशन है. ठीक है, यहाँ पे टेस्ट ही मेंशन है. क्लियर. Moving on to the next question, and our next question says that select the correct option to fill in the blanks. You dash use mobile phone inside the aircraft. तो ये compulsion है, so you must not use the mobile phone inside the aircraft. So D part is must not. Select the option that identifies the error and supplies the correction of the following line. An entire household was in the control of my mother-in-law. तो इसका क्या error है? An entire household was in the control of my mother-in-law. An entire household. An entire household. No. तो इसका होगा the entire household. Specified है. ठीक है, the entire household was in the control of my mother-in-law. Clear. Next, complete the notice by filling the blanks with the correct option. I knew that Ramesh dashed Jaipur before. Past tense है, मुझे पता है रमेश ने पहले जयपुर विजिट किया है. So I asked him to recommend a good hotel. So I know that Ramesh had visited है. हाँ, ये रहा, had visited Jaipur before. So I asked him to recommend a good hotel. Fill in the blanks by using the correct form of the word in the bracket. तो correct form of word आपने use करना है. The servants dash for half an hour when we arrived home. The servants मतलब past tense में had been quarreling when we arrived at home. ठीक है, समझ आया. Report the dialogue between a soldier and a boy by completing the narration. Boy: Sir, you are a veteran. How does it feel to receive the adulation? Soldier: Son, it is very difficult question. We kill our enemies to keep our nation safe, but it is just human killing human. In response to the question, the boy has asked the soldier say that. अब in response to the question, boy ने क्या बोला? That it was very difficult question. इसको किस में करना है? Was में. ठीक है. In response to the question, the boy has asked. The soldier says that it was a very difficult question. It was a very difficult question. He further said that they kill their enemies. They kill their enemies to keep their nation safe. But it was just human killing humans. It was just humans killing humans. Clear? So it was a very difficult question. He further said that they kill their enemies to keep our nation safe, but it was just humans killing humans. Next, identify the error in the given sentence and supply the correction. Discipline in life ensured peace and harmony, which in turn offer the impetus for a nation progress. तो अब आपने इसमें बेसिकली क्या करना है? सबसे पहले एरर ढूंढनी है और फिर करेक्शन करना है. डिसिप्लिन इन लाइफ इंश्योर. ठीक है, तो अगर मैं बात करूँ डिसिप्लिन इन लाइफ, तो ये इट हो गया. ठीक है, इट इंश्योर नहीं होगा, इंश्योर्स होगा, इंश्योर्स पीस एंड हार्मनी विच इन टर्न ऑफर द इम्पीटस फॉर अ नेशन प्रोग्रेस। क्लियर, समझ आया। नेक्स्ट आता है ट्रांसफॉर्म द फॉलोइंग डायरेक्ट स्पीच इनटू रिपोर्टेड स्पीच। डायरेक्ट स्पीच को रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में करना। आई सेड टू हिम विल यू टीच मी, तो आई आस्क्ड हिम इफ ही वुड टीच मी, इट नहीं है, इफ है। आई आस्क्ड हिम, कॉमा हट गया, इन्वर्टेड कॉमा हट गया, WH फैमिली से क्वेश्चन नहीं शुरू, तो इफ या वेदर आएगा। इफ ही वुड टीच हिम, ठीक है, सब्जेक्ट और वर्ब की जगह चेंज हो जाती है। इफ ही वुड टीच हिम, आई है ना, इफ ही वुड टीच मी, ठीक है। आइडेंटिफाई द एरर इन द गिवन सेंटेंस एंड सप्लाई द करेक्शन। यू कैन पे अटेंशन इन द क्लास, तो यू कैन नहीं, तुम्हें पे अटेंशन करना चाहिए इन द क्लास, सो यू शुड पे अटेंशन in the class, okay, you should pay attention in the class. Then moving on to the next question, our next question is select the correct option to complete the narration of the dialogue between a father and a son. So you have to choose the correct option जिसमें आपका dialogue complete हो रहा है between a father and a son. Father, why do you keep breaking a new toy, son? Son, if I keep it, will you buy me a new one? Father, so father asks son the reason for breaking a new toy every time, to which son asks good humoredly that if he kept it safe, ठीक है, if he kept it safe, then would he buy him a new one? Would he buy him a new one? ठीक है, so आया then would she buy a new one for him or not? ठीक है, तो if she would herself, no, ठीक है। एक तो फादर और सन के बीच में तो ये सारे ही ऑप्शन गलत है क्योंकि शी तो नहीं आएगा, ठीक है। तो इफ ही कीप इट सेफ, इसका करेक्ट आंसर क्या होगा? इफ ही कीप इट सेफ देन वुड ही बाय हिम अ न्यू वन, या वुड ही बॉट हिम फॉर अ न्यू, वुड ही बाय हिम फॉर अ न्यू वन, ठीक है। सो वुड ही बाय हिम अ न्यू वन, clear? Then moving on to the next question, identify the error in the given sentence and supply the correction. We have the little money right now, we should go out for dinner another day. एक तो money little नहीं होता, ठीक है, the little नहीं होता, little होता है। We have little money right now, we should go out for dinner another day, clear? Moving on to the next part. Next part is writing skills, और जो आपका next part है वो 10 marks का है। 2 question है, एक letter और एक analytical paragraph। जो question letter का है उसमें भी option है you have to attempt 1, और जो analytical paragraph है उसमें भी 2 question है you have to attempt 1, okay? Now let's start with the letter. Write a formal letter to the Commissioner of Police in about 100 to 120 words to employ extra constable at the beat box close to the locality to check on crimes, ठीक है। तो बेसिकली क्राइम की कंप्लेन करते हो, यू आर टेलिंग हिम कि भाई और कॉन्स्टेबल्स को अब एम्प्लॉय करो। तो इस लेटर में बेसिकली मिस्टेक्स है, वी हैव टू जस्ट स्पॉट दैट मिस्टेक्स एंड लेट्स सी दैट कि वो मिस्टेक्स क्या है। सबसे पहले कि जो सेंडर्स एड्रेस है वो 3 लाइन्स में होना चाहिए, यहाँ पे 2 लाइन्स में है। तो 34G नेक्स्ट लाइन न्यू कॉलोनी, नहीं 3 लाइन्स में है, सॉरी मैंने ये देखा नहीं, ठीक है। वी हैव टू स्पॉट सम मिस्टेक्स इन दिस। तो यहाँ पे जो एड्रेस है वो बिल्कुल करेक्ट है, 3 लाइन्स में होता है सेंडर्स एड्रेस, बिल्कुल करेक्ट है। नेक्स्ट आती है डेट। डेट में मिस्टेक ये है कि ST यहाँ पे नहीं आएगा, 31 जुलाई 2020 वट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू राइट। फिर किसको लेटर लिख रहे हो? द कमिश्नर ऑफ पुलिस MG रोड, क्योंकि आपने वो भी लिखना है MG रोड दिल्ली, द कमिश्नर ऑफ पुलिस MG रोड दिल्ली। फिर आप सब्जेक्ट लिखोगे रिक्वेस्ट टू एम्प्लॉय मोर कांस्टेबल एट द बीट बॉक्स एंड यू हैव टू अंडरलाइन द सब्जेक्ट। आफ्टर सब्जेक्ट अगेन यू हैव टू लीव द लाइन, और यहाँ पर मैं लिख देती हूँ 3 लाइन्स। यू हैव टू लीव द लाइन एंड यू जस्ट हैव टू राइट सर, नो रिस्पेक्टेड, नो मैडम, ठीक है। देन यू हैव टू रिमूव दिस कॉमा, ठीक है। सो दिस इज टू ब्रिंग टू योर काइंड इंटेंशन दैट नियर आवर लोकेलिटी द बीट बॉक्स हैज अ वेरी फ्यू कॉन्स्टेबल्स, कॉमा the result they are overburdened with the result they are overburdened and lot of people who look suspicious. The resident face a lot of problem because of this and many petty thieves can enter the locality easily. तो ये हो गया आपका फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ। सेकेंड पैराग्राफ, दिस इज गिविंग राइज टू मेनी क्राइम्स एंड एट टाइम द नियरेस्ट बीट बॉक्स डजंट हैव एनी वन हु कुड कम टू द रेस्क्यू। The situation is worsening and people are scared to step out and also doubt everyone who enters the locality. Yoga, second paragraph. We would be highly obliged if more constables are deployed and the entry and exit points are checked regularly. It is a request from all the residents and we hope to get some relief soon. ठीक है, ये हो गया आपका थर्ड पैराग्राफ. थर्ड पैराग्राफ के बाद you have to leave a line then thanking you yours sincerely and your name. If name is not mentioned in the letter, you can write XYZ. Clear? अब उसके बाद हम देखते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या है लेटर का. राइट अ फॉर्मल लेटर टू द एडिटर. तो क्या है ये लेटर टू द एडिटर. ठीक है, इन न्यूज़पेपर अबाउट 100 to 121 हाईलाइटिंग द नीड टू लर्न इंग्लिश कम्युनिकेशन फॉर बेसिक नेसेसिटीज. सबसे पहले आप अपना बेसिकली एड्रेस लिखोगे विच इज इन 3 लाइन. 21 बी ब्लॉक, जनकपुरी, दिल्ली. एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट. लीव अ लाइन. ठीक है, डेट में ये TH नहीं आएगा. 16 जून 2020. अगेन यू हैव टू लीव अ लाइन. देन द एडिटर, दी टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया, दिल्ली. अगेन ये भी 3 लाइन्स में, तो ये भी एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट है. फिर उसके बाद आता है सब्जेक्ट नीड फॉर इंग्लिश कम्युनिकेशन, अंडरलाइन इट. उसके बाद आप एक और लाइन छोड़ोगे. फिर आता है सर. सर के बाद आप कॉमा हटा दोगे. लेटर टू द एडिटर हमेशा सेम लाइन से शुरू होता है और वो लाइन क्या है, थ्रू द कॉलम ऑफ योर स्टीम्ड न्यूज़पेपर. ठीक है, सो द थ्रू द कॉलम ऑफ योर स्टीम्ड डेली या स्टीम्ड न्यूज़पेपर, कॉमा, आई वुड like to stress on the importance of English communication which is very significant aspect of every student's life. ठीक है, यहाँ पे हम फर्स्ट आंसर खत्म कर रहे हैं. पैराग्राफ 2 हमारा यहाँ से शुरू हो जाएगा. कम्युनिकेटिंग इन इंग्लिश हैज बिकम नेसेसरी फॉर एवरीवन वेदर अ स्टूडेंट और अ प्रोफेशनल. इंग्लिश इज अ ग्लोबल लैंग्वेज विच कैन बी अ मीडियम ऑफ कम्युनिकेटिंग एनीवेयर एंड एवरीवेयर, सो इट शुड बी स्ट्रेस्ड राइट फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग. ठीक है, यहाँ पे हमारा सेकेंड पैराग्राफ खत्म होता है. अब हम शुरू करते हैं थर्ड पैराग्राफ. दो ऑल लर्नर्स स्टडी इंग्लिश इन ऑल क्लासेस दे डू नॉट फोकस ऑन इम्प्रूविंग देयर कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स विच गो अ लॉन्ग वे अहेड इन देयर फ्यूचर. टू सीक अ गुड जॉब दे हैव टू जॉइन क्लासेस फॉर इम्प्रूविंग द सेम. If the importance is made apparent at the basic stage along with the other subjects, students can excel in language learning and thereby go for all-round development. Hope this would serve as an awareness to all for adding to their English communication learning. Clear? यहाँ पे आपका खत्म हो गया लेटर. देन यू हैव टू लीव अ लाइन थैंकिंग यू. कोई कॉमा नहीं आएगा. सिंसियरली की जगह आई वुड प्रेफर यू टू राइट ट्रूली, क्योंकि स्पेलिंग की टेंशन ही खत्म हो गई. इफ नेम इज नॉट मेंशन यू विल राइट XYZ. ठीक है, अब हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 की बात करते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 इज एनालिटिकल पैराग्राफ. एंड एनालिटिकल पैराग्राफ में आपने कुछ भी नहीं करना. देयर इज सम सॉर्ट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन विच वुड बी गिवन टू यू इन द क्वेश्चन पेपर. यू जस्ट हैव टू एनालाइज दैट, समराइज इट. क्या इंफॉर्मेशन बताई जा रही है वो लिखना है और एंड में कंक्लूड करना है. दैट्स इट. ठीक है, द चार्ट शोज द डिविजन ऑफ हाउस होल्ड टास्क बाय जेंडर इन ग्रेट ब्रिटेन. राइट एन एनालिटिकल पैराग्राफ डिस्क्राइबिंग द चार्ट गिवन इन 100 to 121. अब चार्ट क्या कर रहा है, डिविजन ऑफ हाउस होल्ड टास्क बाय जेंडर इन ग्रेट ब्रिटेन. तो ये जो ग्राफ का चार्ट टॉपिक है ना, वही मैं टॉपिक दे दूंगी अपने एनालिटिकल पैराग्राफ को. मुझे सीधा सीधा 1 मार्क तो मिल ही गया. ठीक है, दिस इज मिनट्स पर पर्सन पर डे. दिस इज कुकिंग एंड बेकिंग एंड वॉशिंग अप. दिस इज क्लीनिंग हाउस, टाइडिंग, गार्डनिंग, पेट केयर, केयर ऑफ ओन चिल्ड्रन एंड प्ले, मेंटेनेंस एंड ऑड जॉब्स, clothes washing, ironing and sewing. ठीक है, this color is for males and this color is for female. तो आप ये बता सकते हो कि females are more employed in cooking. ठीक है, males are more employed in gardening and taking care of the bed, maintenance of the odd jobs. ऐसे करके explain करो, comparison करो, similarities बताओ और end में उसको conclude करो. Let's read. Of household tasks by gender in Great Britain. The chart shows the number of minutes per day spent by British men and women in doing household tasks. On an average, the women spend about 4 hours doing household tasks, whereas the men spend less than 2.5 hours. The tasks on which women spend more time than men, including cooking, cleaning house, taking care of the children and laundry. In doing all these tasks, women spend approximately 200 minutes, which is almost 3 times the time spent by the men in these tasks. On the other hand, men spend twice the time than women in doing tasks like gardening and maintenance of odd jobs in the house. Men spend the highest time, almost 50 minutes, in gardening and pet care, while the women spend only 30 minutes for these tasks. The time spent by men in washing, ironing, and sewing clothes is as low as low as 2 minutes per day as opposed to 25 minutes spent by women. In short, women spend far more time doing household chores than men, whilst men prefer to do gardening, pet care and maintaining odd jobs. ठीक है, अब एनालिटिकल पैराग्राफ का पार्ट बी देखते हैं क्या है. रीड द फॉलोइंग एक्सर्प्ट फ्रॉम एन आर्टिकल दैट अपीयर्ड इन द मैगजीन सेक्शन ऑफ लोकल डेली. The World Health Organization defines mental health as a state of well-being whereby individuals recognize their abilities, are able to cope with their normal stress of life, work productivity and fruitfully and make a contribution to their communities. Write a paragraph to analyze the given argument. You could think about what alternative explanation might weaken the given conclusion and include rational evidence that would strengthen and encounter the given argument. तो basically आपने importance बतानी है mental health की. You have to add on your points क्योंकि ये question में साफ साफ लिखा है कि आपको खुद के और arguments देने either to weaken up this topic or either to strengthen up this topic. Clear? A major health issue that the youngsters are facing today is the problem related to their mental health. A sound mental health defines the whole personality of an individual. If a person is mentally healthy, then all other issues automatically get resolved to a greater extent. These days, there is a lot of pressure from everywhere over the younger generation, which sometimes mounts so much that at times they take an extreme step to put an end to their lives, or they get engaged in bad habits like alcoholism and drugs, which makes them physically unstable too. These habits might provide a temporary diversion from the problems in hand, but it takes a toll on their physical health in the long run. So, the main focus should be on mental stability and strength and building of an individual so that they may face the challenge of life. Mental health should be balanced in a way which enables people to fight the extremities that take place because of several triggers which an individual is unable to cope up with and succumb to it. The need of the hour calls for immediate action regarding this. Clear? So यहाँ पे हमारा एनालिटिकल पैराग्राफ खत्म होता है. नाउ वी आर मूविंग टू सेक्शन सी. सेक्शन सी हमारी लिटरेचर है जिसमें 40 मार्क्स हैं. इसमें हमें फुटप्रिंट्स विदाउट फीट और फर्स्ट लाइट कवर करनी है. यू हैव टू रीड ऑल द चैप्टर्स थॉरली. तो जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 है वो है आरटीसी, जो फर्स्ट लाइट से भी है और फुटप्रिंट विदाउट फीट से भी है, बीच में और लगा हुआ है. दैट मीन्स यू हैव टू अटेम्प्ट एनी वन आउट ऑफ 2. So let's see the first one. We have an Indian legend too. Bodhidharma, an ancient Buddhist ascetic, cut off his eyelids because he felt sleepy during meditation. 10 tea plants grew out of his lid. The leaves of these plants, when put in hot water and drunk, banished sleep. Tea was first drunk in China, Rajveer added, as far back as 2700 BC. In fact, words such as tea, shaf, chini are from Chinese. Tea came to Europe only in the 16th century and was drunk more as medicine than as a beverage. The train clattered into Mariana Junction. The boys collected their luggage and pushed their way to the crowded platform. कौन सा chapter से? Glimpse of India, last part, right? So in the statement, the boys collected their luggage and pushed their way to the crowded platform. What does push their way means? Push their way means they were making their way for themselves. ठीक है, ये नहीं किसी को धक्का दे दिया. No, they were making their way for themselves. Why did Rajveer have to convince Pranjal with an Indian legend about the origin of tea too? अब राजवीर को कन्विंस क्यों करना पड़ा प्रांजल को with an Indian legend? ठीक है, so Pranjal was unaware about the Chinese and Indian legends to the discovery of tea. Probably like any young man, he had scientific temperament and so readily did not believe popular legends. Hence, he scoffed at the idea, so Rajveer had to narrate both legends to convince him. Clear? Now you have to state true or false. Below are some sentence. ये कुछ sentence दिए गए हैं A to D. ठीक है, and it is related to the word legend. Only B has expressed the same meaning in the passage. अब हमें ये देखना है क्या सिर्फ B है जो same meaning express कर रहा है passage में. A, the football superstar Messi is living sports legend of our time. Obviously, we are not talking about the legend of like celebrity. No. The Legend of Rama has an animated version very popular even in Japan. Yes, Legend of Rama वाला match कर रहा है. The arrogance of the some world politician come dictators is legendary. No. That the cantonment is haunted is merely an urban legend. No. So yes, this is true that only B has expressed the same meaning as in the passage. Clear? Related to legend. Which word in the extract is similar to a meaning of shout, loud, repeated sound? Clatter, clattering of the train. ठीक है, अब नेक्स्ट चैप्टर देखते हैं कौन सा है, और ये होगा आपका फुटप्रिंट्स विदाउट फीट से। शी वॉज नॉट कन्विंस्ड, नो शी रिप्लाइड, देयर इज नथिंग मोर ह्यूमिलेटिंग दैन टू हैव अ shabby air in the midst of rich women. Then her husband carried out, how stupid we are. Go and find out where your friend Madame Forrester and ask her to lend your jewels. She uttered a cry of joy. It is true, she said. I had not thought of that. कौन से चैप्टर से है? नेकलेस से। Why did she need the jewel? उसको jewel क्यों चाहिए था? To go to the party of rich people? Yes. For a photo shoot? No. To get replica made? No. For wearing them at home? No. To go to a party of rich people. What kind of a person is Madame Loisel, and why is she always unhappy? Madame Loisel was a pretty young lady, but she belonged to a poor family, and she was also married to a clerk. She had great aspirations in life. Her poverty and lack of recognition made her angry and unhappy. Let's see the next question. Now read the following description A to C and identify which one correctly corresponds to the extract. क्या जो extract है वो debate है? नहीं. Soliloquy है? नहीं. Conversation and dialogue है? Yes, it is a conversation between Madame Loisel and Mr. Loisel. ठीक है, समझ आया? Yes, it is a conversation. So why did Matilda's husband what did Matilda's husband suggest her? Matilda's husband suggested that she would borrow jewels from her rich friend. Okay, now question 7 पे आते हैं. Question 7 is again RTC, but ये दोनों RTC इस poem से है, and you have to attempt any one. Poem कौन सी book में है? First Flight से. ठीक है, तो देखते हैं. और यहाँ पे poem के नाम भी given है, but आपको बोर्ड्स में नाम नहीं दिए होंगे. Make sure you read all the poems and the chapters thoroughly. Clear? The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rued. अब इसका कौन सा पोएम है? डस्ट ऑफ स्नो. रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट ने लिखी है ये. नाउ कंप्लीट द सेंटेंस एप्रोप्रिएटली. द पोएट वाज आउट ऑन द कोल्ड स्नोई डे व्हेन द डस्ट ऑफ स्नो फेल ऑन हिम. तो जब डस्ट ऑफ स्नो उसके ऊपर गिरी तो क्या हुआ? इट चेंज्ड हिज मूड, राइट? चेंज्ड हिज सैड मूड इनटू हैप्पी वन. Right, the poet used in the line and saved some part. Alliteration use हुआ है. S so की sound repeat हो रही है. Saved some. ठीक है, so what effect does the poet wish to create? Emphasis, comparison, humor, personification. तो ये alliteration use करके poet क्या कर रहा है? Emphasis डाल रहा है, उस पर जोर डाल रहा है, वजन डाल रहा है. Clear? Of the many symbols of the hemlock tree represent state that one frost drew upon in all likelihood for this poem. ठीक है, अब इतने सारे symbols हैं, but वो poet ने hemlock tree क्यों choose किया? ठीक है, the symbol of healing is one. symbol of healing यूज करने के लिए, and it is one that forest drew upon in all likelihood for this poem, क्योंकि इसमें poet का mood heal हो रहा है, better हो रहा है, तो symbol of healing is used here. Clear? कमेंट ऑन द पोएट्स यूज ऑफ लैंग्वेज इन दिस पोएम. अब पोएट की जो लैंग्वेज है बहुत ही ईजी है, सिंपल है. ठीक है, एक्सेसिबल लैंग्वेज है पोएम में. ठीक है, एंड थ्रू हिज लैंग्वेज दैट ही इज एबल टू इन्वोक द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट ऑफ इमोशन. द पोएट टेल अस though his mood at the beginning was sorrowful and despairing, overshadowed by darkness, which is symbolized by a crow, it has changed now to hopeful and devoid of regret, which is symbolized by the snow-covered tree. Thus, an in-depth regarding of the poem reveals that there is much more going on, which appears to be simple and through a straightforward lines. Clear? अब नेक्स्ट आरटीसी देखते हैं कौन सी पोएम्स है. He stalks in his vivid stripe the few steps of his cage on pads of velvet quiet. In his quiet rage he should be lurking in shadow, sliding through long grass near the water hole where plump deer pass. कौन सी पोएम है? The Tiger in the Zoo. ठीक है, in what way does the description of the tiger in this poem challenges traditional idea of what a tiger should be? अब tiger basically क्या होना चाहिए? Majestic, free, but यहाँ पे क्या? He is caged, ठीक है, and he is completely in an opposite situation as compared to his own natural habitat, right? That is jungle. So in the poem, the majestic, free, wild tiger is caged as opposed to being in the jungle. What is the significance of the use of the word shadow in the poem? Shadow का क्या significance है in the poem, and how does this word choice contribute to the overall mood and tone of the extract? तो the word shadow signifies the long grass के लिए use किया गया था, तो dark jungle. ठीक है, the dark jungle which the tiger lords over. He lurks near dark water hole to catch his prey, but instead he is holed up in a small cage looking at a dark sky. The poet uses यूजेस आयरनी टू कैप्चर हिज मूड कि एक्चुअल में उसे कहाँ होना चाहिए था और वो कहाँ है. दैट इज द आयरनी ऑफ हिज लाइफ. क्लियर. Select the option that describes the tiger in the following line. On pads of velvet quiet in his quiet rage. नर्वस बिल्कुल भी नहीं है, स्कैर्ड नहीं है, डिस्ट्रॉट नहीं है, लाइट फूटेड, येस ही इज़ लाइट फूटेड. ठीक है. मेजेस्टिक, येस ही इज़ लाइट फूटेड. ही इज़ डिस्ट्रॉट ऑल्सो एंड ही इज़ इंडिग्नेंट. ठीक है. तो ये चीज़ें टाइगर को डिस्क्राइब कर रही है. आइडेंटिफाई द टाइप ऑफ इमेजरी यूज इन द लाइन्स. ऑफ टाइप ऑफ इमेजरी, भाई टाइगर को बहुत पावरफुल दिखाया गया है. ठीक है. बट वो अपने अननेचुरल स्टेट में, जिसकी वजह से वो बिल्कुल हेल्पलेस है, साइलेंट है और वो कुछ नहीं कर पा रहा, ना लोगों को डरा पा रहा है. ठीक है. वेलवेट क्वाइट एंड ऑक्सीमोरॉन यूज किया गया है. वेलवेट क्वाइट बेसिकली एक मेटाफर है जो क्लॉज को दिखाया गया है. वेलवेट आर द क्लॉज एंड द पॉज ऑफ द टाइगर एंड क्वाइट रेज मीन्स साइलेंट भी है और गुस्सा भी है. तो यहाँ ऑक्सीमोरॉन यूज किया क्योंकि अपोजिट वर्ड यूज किए गए. क्वाइट ऑल्सो एंड रेज ऑल्सो. सो क्वाइट एंड रेज आर अपोजिट. दैट इज साइलेंस एंड एंगर. Clear. The poet uses powerful visuals of a tiger in an unnatural state of being silent, not roaring, praying, or threatening an animal or a human. The metaphor of velvet, quiet, and oxymoron, quiet rage add to the effect. Clear. यहाँ पे हमारा क्वेश्चन 7 खत्म. अब हम क्वेश्चन 8 पे आते हैं. क्वेश्चन 8 में 5 क्वेश्चन हैं. यू हैव टू अटेम्प्ट एनी 4. फुटप्रिंट्स विदाउट फीट से नहीं है, ये फर्स्ट स्लाइड से है और हर एक क्वेश्चन 3 मार्क्स का है. क्लियर. तो डिस्कस करते हैं. व्हाई डज द ऑथर थिंक ऑफ द वेल्थ ऑफ द कंट्री. नेल्सन मंडेला है और यहाँ पे आपने बताना है कि ऑथर क्या सोचता है अबाउट द वेल्थ ऑफ द कंट्री. So the author thinks of the country's wealth in its physical term, as he is of the opinion that the country is rich in minerals and gems. All these lay beneath the soil. However, the real wealth is the people of the South Africa. They are finer and truer than the real diamonds and the real wealth of the country. ठीक है. While alone on the ledge, how did the little seagull try to draw the attention of his family? क्या किया था उसने? स्लीपी होने का नाटक किया था. एक लेग अंडर द विंग्स हाइड कर रही थी. बेसिकली शी वाज शोइंग कि भाई मैं अनकॉन्शियस हो रही हूँ, टू ग्रैब द attention of the family. Clear. While alone on the ledge, the little seagull tried to draw the attention of his family. He stepped slowly outside to the brink of the ledge and standing on one leg with the other hidden under his wing, he closed his eyes and pretended to be falling asleep. Why was an entire class anxious and nervous? Anna की पूरी class anxious और nervous थी उसकी humorous को लेके. सॉरी यहाँ पे ये आएगा. वाई वॉज एनीज एंटायर क्लास एंशियस एंड नर्वस बिकॉज उनका रिजल्ट डिक्लेयर करना था. ठीक है. एंड दे वर क्वैकिंग इन देयर शूज एंड दे वर नर्वस कि भाई क्या वो पास होंगे, नेक्स्ट ब्लॉक में जा पाएंगे या नहीं जा पाएंगे. सो एने फ्रैंक नरेट्स अबाउट हर क्लास humorously as the entire class quacked in its boot due to tension, anxiety and nervousness. There was a meeting to decide who would be promoted to the next class and who won't. Therefore everyone was in total suspense thinking about what would happen and half of the class was betting on it. Next question आता है. How does everyone celebrate Custard getting rid of the pirate? बेलिंडा ने कस्टर्ड को embrace किया, मस्टर्ड ने उसको लिंक किया, इंक, कैट एंड ब्लिंक ने उनको डांस किया था उसके आसपास एंड दे वर सेलिब्रेटिंग दैट कि जो पायरेट है उसको कस्टर्ड खा गया एंड नाउ दे आर सेफ. सो बेलिंडा impresses him, Mustard the dog licks him, in the cat and the blink the mouse dance around him in the circle in celebration of Custard eating up the pirate. Next, Kisa compared human life to an inanimate object. What is it and why does she do so? So Kisa compared human light with the lights flickering in the street. Yes, and then they flickered up and then extinguished again, and the darkness of the night spread everywhere. Similarly, human lives take birth, flickers up and then extinguished. ठीक है. चलती है, फ्लिकर करती है और फिर बुझ जाती है. एंड द डार्कनेस ऑफ सैडनेस स्प्रेड्स इन द लाइफ ऑफ द रिमेन्स. शी कंपेयर्ड सो बिकॉज शी वॉज इन अ ग्रेट ग्रीफ ऑफ द डेथ ऑफ हिज सन, ऑफ हर सन. यहाँ पे गलत लिखा हुआ है, हिज सन लिखा हुआ है, यहाँ पे हर सन आएगा. क्लियर. देन मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 में 2 क्वेश्चन दिए हुए हैं फ्रॉम फुटप्रिंट्स विदाउट फीट एंड यू हैव टू 3 क्वेश्चंस दिए हुए हैं. यू हैव टू अटेम्प्ट एनी 2 एंड ऑल ऑफ देम आर 3 मार्क्स ईच. क्लियर. व्हाई डिड द thief smile without any effort towards the end of the story? So the thief was under the tension that Anil would be very angry and upset with him for stealing the money, but Anil did not express any anger and said that he would pay him regularly. This changed the thief. Next, Horace Danby was good and respectable but not completely honest. Why do you think this description is apt for Horace? गुड था, रिस्पेक्टेबल था, बट वो चोरी सिर्फ अपनी एक्सपेंसिव बुक्स लेने के लिए, रेयर बुक्स लेने के लिए करता था. एल्स ही वॉज नॉट अ पर्टिकुलर थीफ कि वो उसका काम ही चोरी करना हो. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं था. वो अच्छा बिजनेस कर रहा था अपना लॉस का. सो हॉरिस डैनबी वॉज गुड एंड रिस्पेक्टेबल बिकॉज फॉर मोस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द ईयर ही लिव्ड अ रेगुलर लाइफ ऑफ अनमैरिड 50-year-old man with a successful business. He was not completely honest because he planned and executed a robbery once a year, breaking into someone's house and looting. All right. Third question. Why was the strange scientist strongly suspected of having had a hand in the burglary at the clergyman's home? So, the news of the burglary at the clergyman's home had become known throughout the village. The people of the village strongly suspected the strange scientist Griffin of having a hand in it. Moreover, he had suddenly produced some ready cash when he had admitted not long before that he had no money anymore. Clear? Now let's move to question number 10. Question number 10 is a long question जो 6 मार्क का है. फर्स्ट फ्लाइट से 2 क्वेश्चन है. यू हैव टू अटेम्प्ट एनी वन आउट ऑफ 2. Clear? Describe Lencho's quality in light of his faith in God. Was Lencho's reaction towards post office employees justified? बहुत easy है, तो मैं सिर्फ read कर रही हूँ. Lencho was a poor farmer and firmly believed that God sees everything and hears everything and is everywhere. When his crop was ruined due to heavy rainfall and hailstone, he was scared to imagine how his family would survive. He believed that only God could take him out of his problem. Nowadays, people find it intellectually impossible to make the affirmation which is necessary for a firm belief in God. The refusal to believe in God is really unfortunate. The other fact is that it is hard to find people who are willing to help anyone without any self-interest. Lencho's reaction towards the post office employees are not right or justified, but it was simply because of his innocence, as he could not believe that God had made such a mistake. As per him, none but only the post office employees had stolen the money. ठीक है, as per him. So next question देखते हैं इसके ऑप्शन में क्या है. How is the lost ball the metaphor of the lost childhood of the boy? Why does the poet want to intrude on the poem by offering him money to buy another ball? Perhaps the boy has a lot of love for the ball and has been keeping it for a long time. He must have developed a lot of attachment and love with the ball. Suddenly, while he is playing, the ball bounces down the street, and after a few bounces, it falls down into the harbor. Thus, it is lost forever. The boy stands there shocked and fixed to the ground. He continuously goes on staring at the spot where his ball fell down into the water. Outwardly, the loss seems to be quite small. The boy seems to be making a big fuss over a small loss. Many boys have lost such balls and will lose so in future as well. A new ball can be easily bought in a dime, but the metaphor of the lost ball is beautifully linked to the loss of sweet childhood. No amount of money can buy the ball back that has been lost forever. Similarly, no worldly wealth can buy back the lost childhood. The poet doesn't want to sermonize on this issue. The boy himself has to learn epistemology, or the nature of the loss. He has to move ahead in life, forgetting all the losses he had suffered in the past. Clear? Now let's move on to question number 11. Footprints without feet के हैं. 2 क्वेश्चन है. You have to attempt any one. 6 marks के हैं. So 100 to 120 word में आपने आंसर करना है. Too much of anything is good for nothing. Justify it with regard to a time for surgery. Okay, very easy. Mrs. Pumphrey is a wealthy but foolishly indulgent woman who pampers her dog Tricky by overfeeding him. She wrongly relates Tricky lifelessness to malnutrition and serves him cream cakes, chocolate, and cod liver oil. She also doesn't follow the doctor's advice of cutting down on his food and making him exercise, as she can't be strict with him. Thus, she and Tricky greets for food because the cause of Tricky's misery. Mrs. Pumphrey is excessively fond of her little dog and pampers him a lot. On learning about Tricky's convulsing news, she starts bringing dozens of eggs to build up his strength. She also brings wine and brandy for Tricky to enrich his blood and build his constitution. Albeit caring, she is ignorant about the consequences of her action, which leads to Tricky's miserable health. Thus, the saying too much of anything is good for nothing holds true in her case. And next question देखते हैं क्या है. Noodle avoids offending think tank but at the same time corrects his mistake. What does this say about the character of the Noodle? कौन सा chapter से? The book that saved the earth. Noodle, the apprentice of think tank, is a smart and intelligent fellow. Though he is the one to make the right decision, he makes sure that his boss gets all the praise. He rectifies the mistake of think tank humbly and refer his thought to be insignificant before presenting them. In this way, he suggests the right solution without making think tank feel that he is being corrected. This shows Noodle's modesty and humility. He is good at handling tasks by himself. He is polite member of think tank crew and effectively carries out the order of the commander. He is a wise, practical man who uses logical reasoning and is more familiar with the fact of the Earthling as compared to think tank. तो यहाँ पे हमारा सैम्पल पेपर 14 कंप्लीट होता है एंड आई होप आप लोगों को यहाँ तक कोई डाउट नहीं है एंड अगर कोई भी डाउट होता है यू कैन कमेंट इन द कमेंट बॉक्स फॉर द PDF ऑफ दी सैम्पल पेपर यू कैन रीच अस आउट ऑन द नंबर विच इज़ गिवन बिलो इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स और अगर आपने बाकी सैम्पल पेपर अब तक नहीं किए हैं तो उसका लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिया हुआ है. सो आई विल बी मीटिंग यू गाइज सुपर सून इन माई नेक्स्ट वीडियो. बाय बाय एवरीवन.